Good afternoon, everyone. So this will be my introduction lesson. So let's get right into it. The question is, given AC is a tangent of the blue circle and angle ABC is 90 degrees, what is the area of triangle ABC? So we know that this will be 90. It's given to us. Alright? And the rule is that a tangent to a circle, if we draw a line from the center of the circle to the point at which the tangent touches the circle, it forms a 90-degree angle. So we know that these are 90 degrees. Okay, and angle ABC is bisected because these two triangles are congruent. So this will be 45. That will be 45. Now, we need to find this angle and this angle. And the rule is that the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So that will be 180 minus 90 minus 45. And so angle A is 45. And angle C is also 45. Since these two triangles are the same. And now the formula for the area of a triangle is half base times height, right? So let's use this 1 as the height and use AC as the base. It will make it much more easier to calculate. So we need to find, let's just name this point D, right? So we need to find the length of point AD and the length of DC. If we find AD or if we find DC, we already know the length of the other one. So I'm just going to calculate length AD. Now the trig rule is SOHCAHTOA. So this means sine equals the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Cos is the adjacent side of the angle over hypotenuse, and tan is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Now we have the opposite side. If we use this angle, we have the opposite side and we're looking for the adjacent side. So we're going to have to use tan. So tan 45 equals the opposite side over the adjacent side, AD. Now we try to get AD on its own, so we multiply both sides by AD, and we get AD tan 45 equals 1. Then we divide both sides by tan 45 and we get AD equals 1 over tan 45. And we plug that into our calculator and we will get 1. So AD equals 1, then we can assume that DC equals 1, because both sides are congruent. And now the whole length AC equals 2. So now we can calculate the area of ABC. We just plug in the values. Half, the base is 2, and the height is 1. Thus, the area of triangle ABC equals 1. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for considering my application, and I hope to hear from you soon.